Take a drive shaft, add a pinion. My opinion is called pinion because it looks like a pine cone, but definitely is a bevel gear. Now add a ring gear. Cool. They spin together to convert the shaft's spin by 90 degrees and move your car forward, unless you want to drive sideways. Now add the 2 axles and their side gears. The axles connect to your wheels. But wait, this won't work. They need to connect to the ring. That's what the spider gear is for. Why is it called spider gear? I don't know. If you're cool, you'll Google it, but I'm not cool. Now we can drive straight. But we can't drive straight forever, because that's boring. Let's turn a corner. Oops, your wheel just slipped and your car rolled over. Game over, you're dead. Try again, round 2. To prevent the wheels from slipping, some smart people before the time of your grandma and your grandma's grandma invented the differential gear system. The differential is needed because when a car turns, the outer wheel needs to drive farther and rotate faster than the inner wheel. Otherwise, your inner wheel could slip. Here's the beauty of differential steering. Check this out. When you drive straight, the spider gear just rides on the ring gear. It passively turns the 2 axle gears equally. It's a passive revolution. How can a revolution be passive? But it is. Very passive. Like lazy freeloaders who like to ride coattails or a Ferris wheel, but for free. And look, his twin is passive too. It's like when you get stuck in a roundabout and you can't get out of the endless loop. You call your twin sister and say, help. Then she comes, but then she gets stuck too. And both of you are like, help. But you can't ride the gravy train forever. When your car starts cornering, you awaken the spider gears. They rotate on their own axes as they ride and turn on the ring gear. The revolution is now active. It's like, viva la whatever. The ring gear drives both axles in a forward rotation. The spiders cause one axle to rotate faster and the other axle to rotate slower. The average of the rotational speed of both wheels equals the input rotational shaft of the... Man, I can't even read this. It's so exciting. And that's how a differential rotates your drive wheels at different speeds. Now your wheels won't slip when you turn a corner. Your car won't roll over. You're not dead. Your game's not over. Spider gears save the day. They're the underdogs who become hero. And everyone loves underdogs. Not that I care. If your differential is failing, there might be some symptoms. One might be a noise that sounds like wind howling, like woo, woo. Or roll up your window because that might be a real owl. But if it sounds like woo, 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 that's not your differential. It's a monkey. Don't speak to him. Get a sanity check by visiting the local mechanic or a doctor. They say it's good to get the rear differential oil changed every 20 to 60,000 miles. Who's they? Cause that sounds like a wide range to sound credible. But whatever. Always read your car owner's manual. It's fun. Spider.